The song starts off with this G chord. You have 10th fret on the A string, and then a 3rd finger bar on the 12th fret of the D, G and B strings. I'm going to play it twice, once to let it ring for a whole bar, and then again before we come in with the main riff. This chord is also going to be used after every chorus as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The main riff is played on the 9th fret of the G string twice, little rest before we go to the 8th fret on the B string. And we're kind of killing this off as well, so, and then we get 10th fret on the high E string. We're going to play that twice in the intro, and then we go to the kind of main riff where we play it twice again to start. So it'll be 9, 9, 8, 8, 10, 9, 9, 8, 8, 10. Then we'll move down to 7 and 7 on the G string, 6 and 6 on the B, and 8th fret on the high E twice. And this will kind of repeat then. So twice through 9, 9. Twice through 7. There's then a little picking pattern. It starts off with like a D chord shape really, but up here on the 7, 8, 7, 7 on the G, 8 on the B, and 7 on the high E. We're going to use the pinky finger to grab the 9th fret of the G string to start with, and we pick G, B, E, and then we go to our actual D shape and we pick G, B, E. So G, B, E with the pinky on the 9th fret of the G, and then without the pinky on the G. So 9, 8, 7, 7, 8, 7, and then we'll pick G, B again. So we'll do exactly the same the second time, but with a different ending. 9, 8, 7, 7, 8. Then we don't pick the high E string here. We go back to the G at the 9th fret with the pinky, down to 7 on the G, and then 8 on the B. So pinky, normal shape on the G, and then 8. So slowly, 9, 8, 7, 7, 8, 7, 7, 8, 9, 8, 7, 7, 8, then 9, 7, 8. G, B, E, G, B, E, G, B, G, B, E, G, B, G, G, B. We're then going to move down to 5, 6, and 5. Same kind of D shape, but down 2 frets. And again, we're going to do exactly the same thing, just 2 frets lower here. So 7 on the G, B, E, then the pinky finger comes off, G, B, E, G, B, pinky finger back on, G, B, E, off, and then 7, 5 on the G, ending on the B string of the 6th fret. So the whole thing slowly there. That's played on repeat and a bit more up to speed. There are some chords in the background of the verse. They sound like this. It's a G bar chord. It goes down, up, down, up, up, down. Get down to an F bar chord. Down, up, down, up, up, down. G, F. So it'd be 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That's played on repeat throughout the verse. The chords for the chorus are the G chord that we started off the song with, and we're just playing down in 8th notes for 4 full bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 full bars before we go to a D minor bar chord. That's the 1st finger bar at the 10th fret, 3rd finger 12th fret at the A, and pinky finger 12th fret at the D string. And again, same strumming for 4 full bars. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and we just repeat through those 2 bars kind of for the whole chorus. There's a really awesome octave shaped riff in the chorus too. We have the 1st finger on the 7th fret of the G string. This finger is also going to touch the G string, so we don't have to worry about strumming it too much. And the flat of it's going to mute the B string as well. This is quite tricky, but once you get the shape, it's just so much easier with the accuracy of the strumming. And then we have the pinky finger on the 10th fret of the high E string. And we're going to play these 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we'll move the shape down 1 fret to 6 and 9 and go 4 times, 3 and 4 rounds. So we kind of have those stops between the first one, so we're playing them kind of staccato. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 round. And then when we go through the third and fourth bars, it starts off the same, 7 and 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. But then we go down to 5 and 8, 3 and 4 round. And that happens twice as well. So the whole thing sounds like this. We have 7 and 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 6 and 9. Repeat. This time, 5 and 8. Then we go through and repeat through that riff.